using the Rowenta Clean and Steam Multi. We are gonna use only the steamer to clean the shower. So you press this button and you get out to this one. If you use this device before, like in the past few minutes, make sure you leave it like 3 to 4 minutes to cool down so your steam will not blow up in your face. Shower accessory, and couple it here. Now you're connected and you can start using steaming. Let's go into the shower. And here, for example, you have this one. You have to press this button to turn on the steamer. And now the steamer is loading. You have to wait until the blinker is not blinking anymore and it's only blue. When you want to start the steamer, you have to press this button. You have Eco and Max. I'm gonna press Max. And I'm gonna press this one. And see what's happening. Okay, now you see the steamer has already turned on and you can start using it properly. Of course you have to use it a little, but as you can see it does the job very well. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and see ya in the next video. Peace!